So this is a 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air convertible in the red. Very nice color to go with it. Usually when you, at least personally, usually when I think of the 57 Bel Airs, it's always the blue with the matching color interior, which I do like, but personally if I got a car like this, it would not be like that. And it would not be a 2-door, it would be a 4-door. But that's just my personal taste to it. So now let's open the box and get it off the stand. So now with everything removed, we can take a better look at it. And so far, it is in pretty good condition. I know that something people complain about is the orange peel on Maisto cars, which again, you know, they're $20 cars. At least this one was. But the orange peel honestly doesn't seem too bad for it. There's a lot worse, especially with cars with more of a flat surface. It's easy to notice, but this one, you do notice it, but honestly it doesn't look too bad. But the car itself does look really good. I've always been a fan of the 57 Bel Air. Not so much the 2-doors, but the 4-doors I like a lot. Excellent lines, excellent paint. The chrome looks really, really good. Honestly, from all the Bel Airs that I've seen, this one looks amazing. And honestly, if you take your photos right, especially if you do them outside with a diorama that looks something you'd find in real life, like a McDonald's or a Starbucks or something, or just an average parking lot, honestly I think people could mistake this as the real deal. It looks really impressive. Maisto did a really good job on making this car. Especially the rims. Really good white walls as well. The interior. Now with everything a little bright, it might be hard to see everything, but I'll try to do my best. Excellent interior. Although I wish they did a little more of a different colors and not everything white, like maybe the middle bit as like a red or something, but it doesn't look too bad. Although I will have to say, these windows though are pretty fragile, so I'd say be careful with that when you're opening and closing your doors. Don't like do it right here around the door handle. You might break off the window on accident. Even just handling the car by itself, I almost did that. Is that seatbelts? Yeah. See, like if they painted these in like a red or something, that would have been cool. But the way they are right now, honestly, someone could mistake it as like the seat design. Just lines, they both have them. But pretty impressive car nonetheless. The trunk. A lot of room to put stuff in. Your screws, change, or something small if you want to put in there. Maybe even a Hot Wheels Bel Air. Keep them all together. The underside. A lot of detail. Not a whole lot of paint difference, but still a lot of detail nonetheless, especially for an older car where they didn't have everything flat for aerodynamics. Even got the orange Chevy engine. Pretty good looking. Now let's see if we can see what it looks like from the front. A little hard to see with the way the hood opens, but yeah, like that, it's pretty good. A lot of detail in this engine bay, but the color to be able to tell what's a what, unless you already know the engine bay really well. Like for me, kind of hard to tell what is what. I got the horns out here in the front, battery, radiator, but with it molded in all black, it's kind of blends together on camera, so a little hard to tell, but it does look really good though. With the way the suspension works, like just pushing it down makes it almost look like a lowrider. I think that looks pretty cool. Maybe Maisto might do a custom version of that in the future. So I think that's about it for this car. Again, a beautiful looking 57 Bel Air. Honestly, all Bel Airs are. Just depends which color you prefer. Me, I'm still unsure of which color I'd like my Bel Air to be, but I don't know, this red really does look nice, especially with the white interior. It works really well. So in case I missed something and you just want to let me know in the comments, please feel free. Other than that, that's about it for this car, and not much else for me to say, so thanks for watching.